Papakita niya ngayon sa atin kung paano niya nilalagay yung kanyang ice cast. Tapos mamaya ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano ako nagre-refill ng kanyang canister. Nagpapalit ako ng ice water bottle doon sa loob ng canister para ma-maintain yung lamig na gagamitin niya sa kanyang ice cast sa tuhod.
Ice cast.
Okay, kailangan i-connect mo muna yung tubo na yan dun sa spout na connected dun sa ice cast. And then, kailangan mo siyang i-elevate yung canister. Naka-open yung tube niyan sa taas para dumalo yung tubig pababa dun sa ice cast. Malamig yan kasi ice water yan eh. Ganon din ang gagawin mo sa kabila kasi may individual canister siya. Ikakabit mo uli yung tubo doon sa ice cast and then elevate mo siya uli. Malalaman mo pag nag-empty na yung water sa canister kasi may sound siya. Ang aircast ay isa sa rehabilitation process na nakakatulong after ng knee surgery. It drips a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Mga 20 to 30 minutes lang naman yan na nakababad yung aircast sa tuhod niya. Afterwards, tatanggalin niya na. Mamaya papakita niya rin sa atin kung paano pagtanggal ng aircast pagtapos na siya. Hospital
The hospital personnel put those on you and try to keep them cool. There's cold ice water in here, which gets transferred to the cuff.
Make sure that this is up and this is open.
Yeah, otherwise it gets airbound. It
We need
creates
to
a
open
vacuum.
this. Can you open this, guys?
Can I open it? Sure.
Okay. Yeah, we put 3
Frozen bottles
frozen bottles in it inside.
and filled it with water.
Yeah, I'll take this off. You fill the water just up to here, you know, the on the line, and then we use the water bottle. It's 3, yeah, and then you shut it. You close it. You have to put this cover on.
There's just an insulating factor. This system actually is these pads are coming off prematurely, kind of like a defect, but it should only be this one major purpose anyway.
This time mga palangga is the other way around. Pagtatanggalin mo na yung aircast mo. Yung aircast naman ngayon na naka-elevate, tapos yung canister naman ang nasa ibaba para ma-empty mo yung water from the aircast down to the canister. Ganyan.
Okay. So we let that cool back off, let the water cool back off. Do this again. And now squeeze the water back into the canister. No big rush, just let it drain out. Making sure the tab on the tank is open, because if it's not open, that's this here. If this is not open, the water will not go back in. It becomes a vacuum. That is very good. And I'm going to unplug it again. There. So this is empty.
Okay. And that's it.
Ta-da!
So, magpapalit ako ngayon ng aircast, yung ng tubig sa kanyang aircast. Ito yung ginagamit niya para sa cold compression, para sa tuhod niya. Okay, so, papalitan natin to. Previously, 3 ice frozen water bottle ang nilalagay ko sa loob. Kaya lang masikip siya, kaya ginawa ko na lang siya ngayon na 2. gumagamit ako ng frozen water bottle every other day kasi the next day, frozen pa rin siya. So, okay pa rin siyang gamitin. Aircast ay ginagamit as a rehabilitation tools para maiwasan yung pagdudugo sa mga joint, tapos yung pamamaga, at saka ma-reduce yung pain kasi pag nag-move ka na after ng operation, usually makirot, masakit. Yung Aircast, nakakatulong yun. So ayan, tapos na siya, ready na siya ulit gamitin.